Hi guys, this is Fam Review with a review of a new Rubble Bulldozer we got on Amazon for our son's 3rd birthday. It comes with a nice little box and includes Rubble sitting in the Bulldozer, which is securely fixed so he can't fall out. That's great. It's already packed with batteries, so you don't have to worry about that. The battery compartment is secured with a screw for the safety. So the Bulldozer also features sound effects and music, and it makes noise when you push it down. Of course, you can turn the sound off if you prefer that. You'll see my son has a lot of fun playing with it. Thank you for watching the video. That's the Rubble Bulldozer.